Isotonic solution. Iso meaning equal. Isotonic solution means a container having a solution and a cell having its own solution if the concentration of this solution and this solution are equal, we call it isotonic solution. Hypertonic solution, hypotonic solution, and isotonic solution. Osmosis takes place totally based on the concentration of the solutions. If a cell is placed in a solution, if the concentrations of the container and the concentration of the cell are equal, we call it isotonic solution. These terms don't have absolute values, they are only comparative. So when a cell has equal concentration to that of the outer solution, both are said to be in isotonic condition. If the cell is placed in water or a lower concentrated solution, now this is hypotonic and the cell solution is hypertonic. Actually, based on this principle only, the roots absorb water. When soil water is there, the concentration of the soil solution must be lower than the concentration of the cell sap present in the root. That means the soil solution must be hypotonic and this cell sap of the root hairs and the roots must be hypertonic. Then only the water from higher potential, that is hypotonic solution has high water potential, hypertonic solution has lower water potential. So from the soil, from higher water potential enters into the plant. So the soil solution must have hypotonic condition and the root cells must have hypertonic condition. If the concentration here is more, that is, if it is hypertonic, and the concentration of the cell sap is hypotonic, naturally the water from the cell goes out, that is plasmolysis. the cytoplasm or the protoplasm shrinks. If you add a chemical manure to a plant, that manure dissolves in soil water, becomes a solution. If you don't give enough of water, the soil will have hypertonic condition, and from the plant the water comes out and the plant dies. So always when you add a chemical manure to a plant, it should be small in quantity and a copious supply of water must be given. So that is hypertonic, hypotonic and isotonic. When the concentrations become equal, there is no movement of water either from outside the cell to inside or from inside to outside.